5 Weight Loss Smoothie Recipes. 5 weight loss smoothies that'll help you slim down. If you're going to ask around for some effective weight loss diet tips, you would notice that most people would recommend weight loss smoothie recipes. This is because smoothie recipes primarily contain fruits that have just the right amount of vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. With its sweet taste, it is able to satisfy your sweet cravings without making you gain weight because it has controlled sugar, carbohydrates, and calorie content. Number 1. Banana-Berry Smoothie. If you would like a deliciously satisfying breakfast that would not make you grow fat and would be able to sustain your body with all the energy you need for at least half a day, it would be best to have a banana-berry smoothie. This smoothie recipe contains orange juice, banana, silken tofu, berries, and an optional added sugar that are blended together to complete a protein and fiber-rich breakfast. It is also very rich in vitamin C, so you are guaranteed that you keep a healthy body. Number 2. Avocado Raspberry Smoothie. If you would like a slightly different taste for your healthy breakfast, you can also try an avocado raspberry smoothie recipe. It is an avocado, raspberry, and orange juice blended together without any additional ingredients. It is an energy-giving breakfast that would be able to wake your senses and get you started with a hyperactive day. Number 3. Apple Nutmeg Smoothie. For smoothie alternatives for your other meals within the day, you should best try the other 3 smoothie recipes being recommended by most dietitians. Perhaps you have heard of the famous quote that says, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." This simply means that the apple keeps us healthy. For weight loss, apple is most recommended because it has the ability to break down fats and help in improving digestion. An apple nutmeg smoothie would definitely be perfect if you are planning to lose weight. This recipe contains apple, nutmeg, and malic acid. Number 4. Spirulina Smoothie. If you are looking to cleanse your body or detoxify from excess fats and other impurities, you can also have spirulina smoothie, which contains blended frozen berries, orange juice, yogurt, and spirulina powder. This smoothie recipe is a perfect antioxidant that would help you put your body back in good shape and keeps it healthy. Number 5. Vanilla Yogurt and Blueberry Smoothie. If you are most conscious about your belly and you would like to make it flat, vanilla yogurt and blueberry smoothie are perfect to include in your diet. It contains soy milk, vanilla yogurt, blueberries, and flaxseed oil. Although the 5 mentioned smoothie recipes are the most recommended by most dietitians for people who would like to lose weight at a lot quicker period of time, there are still a lot of healthy weight loss smoothie recipes that you can even check the description link. If you would like to lose weight and keep a healthy body, you should make it a point to have them included in your diet. You can either use them as alternatives to your major meals within the day or alternatives to your unhealthy sweet cravings. If you want a free guide on how you can lose weight fast, then check the description link. Comment your favorite part. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.